tired of weak fridge magnets that can barely hold up a single piece of paper? You need to see these. What's up, everyone? Today, we're taking a look at a product that's a total game changer for your kitchen, office, or classroom: the LOVIMAG fridge magnets. The title says it all. These things are small but incredibly strong. Let's dive in and see if they live up to the hype as the best refrigerator magnets out there. First off, let's talk about power. These little black magnets might not look like much, but don't let their size fool you. Each one of these can hold up to 15 sheets of A4 paper. 15, I tested it myself, and they didn't even break a sweat. Whether it's your kid's latest masterpiece, your weekly meal plan, or important reminders, these magnets hold on tight and don't slide down the fridge door. No more paper avalanches when you close the door too hard. The design is another huge plus. They have this sleek, rectangular shape with a black finish that looks really modern and clean. But they're plated with 3 layers of protective coating: nickel, copper, and black paint, which means they rebuilt to last and won't corrode or scratch your surfaces. The size is perfect, at just about 1/2 inch by a little over 1/2 inch. They're small enough that they don't cover up what you're trying to display, which is a major pet peeve of mine with bigger, clunkier magnets. Plus, the shape makes them super easy to grip and move around. But these aren't just for your refrigerator. Their versatility is a huge selling point. You can use them on any magnetic surface. Think whiteboards in the office, filing cabinets, classroom boards, or even as map pins. They're fantastic for keeping your workspace organized. If you're constantly losing sticky notes or trying to keep track of schedules and recipes, these little guys are exactly what you need to keep everything in its place and clearly visible. With a 4.8-star rating from over 9,000 reviews and a #1 bestseller rank in refrigerator magnets, it's clear I'm not the only one impressed. They are incredibly effective, look great, and are super versatile. For something so simple, they solve a common problem exceptionally well. So, are the LOVIMAG fridge magnets worth it? Absolutely. They are the definition of small but mighty. If you're looking for strong, reliable, and stylish magnets, look no further. I'll drop a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.